check out this 1961 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door sedan. Nice looking car. This particular car has a 348 Chevy V8 underneath the hood. That is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission that was recently rebuilt within the past year. This car does come with a clear Iowa title, brought into us by one of our good customers down there we've done business with before. Wanted a car sold, so they brought it to us to get it sold. This particular car would have started out as a white and twilight turquoise car. Data tag reading 963 for a paint code, so it would have been turquoise and white. Interior was also a turquoise vinyl interior, so a lot of what you see on this car now would have been similar to it would have rolled off the Chevrolet showroom floor back in 1961. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, the engine bay, the interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com, or if you look down below this video in the description, there's a link you can click on that'll take you there. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Be sure happy to help you out with this vehicle. As you can see, it's riding on steel wheels with the wheel covers. Paint on this car, it obviously has undergone a repaint. Is in nice shape. I would call it a nice driver quality paint. As you can see, there's a nice luster to it. Interior appears to have been redone also, and in very nice shape. This is not a two-tone interior here or back here. That's the way the shading is. With the lights in the building here where I'm doing the video at, it is all one color. As you can see, retains pretty much the stock dash with the exception of little after-market cluster gauges underneath the dash there. We'll get around to the driver's side and check it out a little closer. Roof line on these cars is rather unique, making them a nice looking little two-door post or two-door sedan. Bright work chrome, I would say in decent shape. You're going to find a few little nicks or dings here, like this one. Maybe a scuff or two on some of the chrome on the bumper, but overall, a very nice shape. See the original logo, it looks like. What it came on this car from the Chevy dealer. Again, if you want to check out the still pictures, click on the link down below this video. That's going to take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with the transportation to where you're located at. Number where you can reach us at, 507-386-1726. Nice looking white highlight down with that bright work down the side of the car, and you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Again, you may find one here or there, but overall, once again, very nice shape. Radio white walls. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. Appears the door panels have been done. The still pictures, I do have the floor mats out, so you can see underneath the floor mats. Check out the carpeting. And as far as the interior, cloth vinyl combination here. Very nice looking interior. Let's take a look at the headliners. It's also in nice shape. Dome light works. Let's go ahead and fire up this 348 in here, run, and we'll check out underneath the hood. A couple things I tried a little earlier. I did not have the radio working. The wipers did work. Blower fan worked. And underneath the hood, when we check it out, you'll see it looks like the heater hose and everything is hooked up underneath there. But yeah, let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Starts easily. Idles nice. With a 348, this car should haul it right along also. Aftermarket gauge, as you can see. Other than that, pretty much stock looking dash. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Door closes runs nicely, as you can see. Nice sounding car. Wouldn't be afraid to take this one into your local shows, roll-ins, just out having a little fun with it. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second. We'll get the hood popped and let's check out that engine bay. Alright, here we go. 348 underneath the hood. You can see nice and tidy underneath there. Once again, that 348 is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Transmission was rebuilt within the last year approximately. Just make a nice running, driving car. Again, if you'd like to give us a call, the number we can be reached at, 507-386-1726. Of course, you can check out the still pictures by clicking on the link down in the description of this video. That's going to take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. 1961 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door sedan with a 348 underneath the hood. Give us a call.